Hey YouTube, welcome back. So we just finished the Caudabe sheath video, and today we're going to be looking at the Synthesis. This is a little bit more of a rugged case than the sheath, gives you a little bit more protection. The materials are slightly different. We'll talk more about that here in a second. But if you're interested in the sheath, you want to go check out that video, I'll leave a link down below. I definitely encourage you to go look at the sheath if you haven't seen or haven't heard of that case before. It's a great case and probably my #1 recommended case when we talk about why in that video. But right behind that, and almost equal, would be the Synthesis. To be honest, Caudabe sent me the cases a couple weeks ago, and this case has been on my phone more than any other since I've received them. I really like the Synthesis, and part of the reason I like it is it has a really cool design aesthetic to it, and they've made it grippier this year along the edges on the side, as well as with texturing around the entire case. So what we're going to do today is we're going to take a close-up look at the case. I want to give you a really good feel for how does this case look on your phone as best I can, and then we'll also talk about what do you need to know if you're considering buying this case. So we'll do that real quick, and if you have any questions, as always, leave me a comment down below. Let's get into it. All right, let's take a look at the Caudabe Synthesis. I love this case this year. #1 is I like the design of the camera cutout. I'm not sure why it has this kind of slanted like ramp away from your camera lenses, but I just think it looks cool. So I like that kind of design component to it. The other thing is if you look along the back, you can see they've added a texturing all along the back of this phone, which is gonna add grippiness for you. And then on the sides, new difference here is they've also added several, what they call a dot matrix pattern that is actually pretty significant. You know, those dots are pretty aggressive in terms of the level of grip they're gonna give you in your hand. Again, pretty minimalist case. You get that Caudabe brand hit down at the very bottom on the back, very small. And then on the inside, you get the full logo here, and it's actually embossed, I guess. Maybe that's what that's called, where it's kind of cut out of the plastic there, which is nice, not just printed on. It shows where the MagSafe ring is, and then you get your serial number up here at the top left. Let's pop on the phone. And this one looks, you know, really nice with deep purple, this black colorway of the Synthesis. So let's take a look at that camera cutout. Nice deep camera cutout. You can just see that you're getting really good protection for your camera lenses. Again, I'm not sure why they did this. Maybe if you know why this is that way, leave me a comment down below. Maybe there's something related to photography that helps with. I think it's cool looking, most definitely. Got a big power button right here, very clicky. I don't know if you can see this, but you can kind of see the deep purple metal showing through. They've cut away one of the sides of the buttons, which just helps with clickiness here. And there is that dot matrix grip pattern along the side. And you can also see the texturing outside of that. The additional texturing they've added is also on the sides and the bottom and the top as well. Here is your speaker grills and your power port. And again, just like on the sheath, they've actually strengthened this portion of the power port cutout just for durability's sake. And then let's just go ahead and go around the phone here. Again, on the other side, that dot matrix pattern, your volume up and down buttons, and your mute rocker, plenty of room to access that. And then here is the top of the case. Then if we look at the front, you're getting a really nice lip on this. Keep in mind, I have a screen protector on my phone, but even with that screen protector, if you look right here, you're getting solid protection for the front of your phone. There is a little bit of material cut away here for your top speaker grill, so that you're going to get really good sound coming out of this case or for your phone. And then all around the edges, you can see the lip of the case rising above the screen protector. So as I mentioned before, I mentioned in the last video, the Caudabe Synthesis, it is a tougher case than the sheath. It is a little bit bulkier, it is a little bit thicker, just barely, but because of that, you're getting more of a lip around the front. You're getting a harder material on the back, which will give you some more protection. You're also getting this extra grip pattern along the sides. But again, it's still rounded edges, so it's a nice smooth feel in your hand. All around, it's just a beautiful, elegant case that's going to give you really good protection. So if that's something you're looking for, then I would definitely encourage you to take a look at the Synthesis. Let's take one more look. Around the case here. Yeah, I think this thing's gonna stay on my phone after I finish up this video today. Love that texture pattern. Just looks really nice. All right, so that was the Caudabe Synthesis. Again, if you have any questions about this case, leave me a comment down below. Last thing I wanna mention is you can pick these up for $41. You do need to order these at Caudabe.com. They have 3 colorways right now they're offering. The black, which you saw today, and they also have a steel blue and then a mountain green that's similar to the sheath case we looked at in the last video. So I haven't had any issues at all ordering through them. They're great. They deliver quickly, they deliver on time. So I can definitely recommend that you order these cases at Caudabe.com. You shouldn't have any issues in doing so. But all that to say, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope it answered some of your questions. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Peace.